What is going on, guys, and welcome to the vlog. First and foremost, I want to say I hope you guys enjoyed the H2O after movie. I put a lot of time and effort into that video. Super long, nothing but cool car content. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll leave it up here. I think it's up here. Go check that video out. It means a lot to me. And yeah, today we're just gonna head to the shop, see what everyone's doing, hang out a bit, and we got some cool stuff that I want to do to this. I want to see if I can get the fitment to be just that much better, and then overall just, you know, spend the day hanging out with my friends and stuff and have a good time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the H2O video, and if you guys aren't subscribed already, please hit subscribe. I'm trying to hit 60,000 by the end of the year. That would be absolutely insane, so please hit subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get to the shop. So, a couple things that I want to do before I get to the shop. Get coffee, obviously, need gas, and this thing is fucking disgusting. So, it's been raining for like the past week and a half, and it's just been super depressing. But today's the first nice and sunny day, and everyone's gonna be going to the shop, so figured I would go too, and we can just hang out for the day and get some good content, and get this car clean, and hopefully sitting a little bit lower. So, let's go. Should be a lot cleaner. That's good. And still intact. We're good. Oh, I can't wait for this thing to be all one color. All right, let's get to the shop. What are you fucking doing?
I'll dance for the camera.
What do you think?
Have I seen it yet?
No.
Dude, that video that you had where
yeah.
it like pops into place,
yeah.
I literally busted it out. I was like, no!
You talking shit about the fitment, huh?
I just want, dude.
You got better fitment on your car now?
We're gonna see it right now.
You got the new wheels going?
We're gonna see it right now. This is great fitment. The stock Mexi flush.
Oh, let's see it.
That Mexi flush. No, I'm just making sure the lugs fit inside of the holes and shit.
Okay.
But
you got like
good once I drop it.
You got like a large iced coffee and wheel gap, but
once I drop it, it'll be dope.
Yeah, for sure.
Be dope.
You get enough sleep last night?
Nope.
No. Shit was crazy. So last night, we were all here just hanging out. I was just spending the day yesterday hanging out after I dropped the H2O video, and we were cleaning up, and then all of a sudden this dude just bursts through the door and he sprints down the hall, and then he's chased. He's like right on his tail by like 4 cops with guns just running after the dude, and I think they ended up catching him. I don't know, but we ended up having to stay outside and like hang around here for a while because the police had to question us and everything. So it was absolutely crazy. I'll overlay a clip right now. I took it with my phone, just like of all the cops. It was like 20 cop cars. It was insane. But we're back and doing some stuff. Brett's putting the wheels on, seeing how they fit, and other Brett and Andrew should be coming by, and Frank later in the day. Frank has another SRT4. Brett is Brett from H2O, the white Volkswagen. And then I want to try and roll my fenders today a little bit more, and Frank wants to do something, and Andrew wants to. There's a lot of work that has to be done today to a bunch of cars here, so we're gonna get it done. All right, well, I've been here helping out for a little bit. It's just been so loud. The compressor's been going the entire time, but we're trying to clean the intake ports and everything for the Skyline, and I'm just helping so that we can get this done faster. And he keeps burning through bits and breaking razors. And I'm helping, so. All right, so before I officially slice my finger wide open from doing this with a straight razor, I was just pretty much trying to lessen up.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Did you cut yourself?
No, I said before I cut myself. I'm just trying to lessen the load for Steven over here because he's using the air spinny wheelie tooly thing that, you know, has the plastic bits on it, and I'm just trying to get these off as much as it can because the compressor's on for literally 3 hours straight and you just can't hear a goddamn thing in here. You guys like my glasses? I like them too. So, I don't know. We'll see what else is going on. You need some low, boy. Yeah, got the white wheels on just in time for winter. Yeah, that's how you do it. Oh. So I'm kind of in a situation with both of my cars where they're kind of both in limbo right now. I'm waiting on parts for this. I'm waiting on parts for the Civic. I'm waiting for space for the Civic, and I really just don't have a lot to film. So that's why I'm just out here having fun with my friends. And
I'm such a racer. I'm such a racer.
Yeah, I ordered the front bumper for this car, like, I want to say like 5 days ago, something like that. It ships on the 9th, that's what they said. And once that gets here, then the body kit will be complete. And that'll be awesome. And then I can start saving towards getting it wrapped. The Civic, actually someone had a hookup and said that he is going to be moving to Massachusetts within the week, and he has everything that I need, which would be super helpful towards that. But I can't work on the Civic until Steven gets the GTR that's in there finished, because that's where the Civic is going to be going, in that spot, and then we're going to be doing it all in here. And so, yeah, that's the plan. There's Andrew's got to get his car in here and do something with that, and then after him we can pull this thing in here and try and get the fitment a little bit better. I know I already did like 2 fitment videos, and I apologize for that, but I don't really got content right now. I'm just waiting on stuff. But as you guys know, this side is mint. This side sits great. This side could use a tiny bit more, and then that will sit flush. I have a very strong suspicion that it will sit like the rear all the way around the car once everything is rolled properly. We missed rolling a bunch of stuff when we did it initially because we just didn't want to do too much to it. But now that I know it needs it, we're definitely going to do it. So once I get the front bumper, it'll sit just as low as the side skirts and the rear lip. You can just tell on camera how fucking damn how close it is to the ground, but the front bumper is still monster trucking. So whole car will sit even and look dope, and that'll be awesome. So while I'm waiting on working on the fenders on the Soarer, a friend of ours came here and he wants to get a BR installed on his Drift 240. And if you guys don't know what BR is, I'll put like a clip in here. From like another video. It's absolutely insane, and this thing should shoot some pretty cool flames once it's done. So that'll be pretty cool. I'm stoked for that. And Petrie has BR on his Evo. Do you have it on your SRT too? Or
no, I have watt box in the SRT.
He's got a watt box in the SRT, and he's got BR on his Evo. He's been trying to get me to do it on the Soarer, and not yet. Not yet. Alright, so everything's wired in, started up. We're gonna warm it up and see if this thing shoots mad flames. I think it's gonna shoot flames.
Woo! Jesus, that was a good one.
What the?
Oh, shit! God damn! Damn! There was a two huge ones.
I know, I seen the flames from back here.
I think we got it. We got it. We got some good ones.
I want to like sit for a little bit. Let me bring it outside so it's fucking
All right, so it's a little bit later. We did the 2-step or the BR on the 240, and we helped with the skyline, and I talked and did some stuff, but now we are going to pull the Soarer in and roll the fenders some more. Don't have a fender roller, so we're gonna improvise. It'll be fine. We'll be, you know, careful and everything like that, but I need to roll the fenders so that I can get maximum fitment. And do it. You gotta do it for the boys now.
My eye!
Brett! Oh, your sweatshirt!
You too!
Stay tilted.
Oh my god.
Dead ass just shotgunned it.
Dead ass B. Look at his face. Windshield wipers.
Keep going!
Come on.
Alright, so we finished working on the driver's side portion of the car. We rolled the inside of the fender, we took the fender liner out, we hammered out the pinch weld, we did all that stuff, and then as a joke, right? As a joke, we were like, what if it's just because the bag isn't low enough? Like
This was a joke.
The threads.
This was a complete joke.
We were like, that's definitely not it. Jack it up, take the wheel off, drop the bag down, turned it up maybe like this much. Look at this. Now it's mint. That compared to the rear, I'm okay with. I'm happy with that.
Like it's an actual
It was the bag. It just needed to get lowered more. It's crazy. But we got this side done, and I'm stoked on it. So now we're just gonna move on to the passenger side of the car. The rear doesn't need any tweaking. The rear sits fine. I put more tire shine on it. Slabbed out perfectly. This side and this side. So this. What are you guys doing?
You'll have to check into my Instagram story 24 hours to find
I
out.
have fucking toots.
That's not his Instagram story.
We're backyard boost, but close enough. I tried to get on it.
So you guys remember? Okay, I can't stand this environment. Here's this side, and here's this side. So we need to go like 3/4 inches lower on this side, and we still need to roll this side. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll check back with you guys in a little bit to see how the car sits as a whole.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's literally like there.
Yes.
It's gonna settle. It'll settle.
It's gonna settle.
It'll settle.
That matches this side. That made this side a little lower too.
No, it'll settle. Because don't forget, they still gotta like. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We did it. It worked. The front is a lot lower now, and it was just because of the bags. I thought this whole time it was because the fenders need to be rolled. They did. They definitely need to be rolled more, but like, it sits mint now. Let me. Woo! She on the ground. I'm a fan. What?
I said, you're so cute when you film.
All right, well, we did a lot today. Didn't really feel like it, but we did. We got a lot accomplished. We got a lot more work done on the GTR. We did the BR in his 240, and it shot mad fucking flames. And
I was telling him when you were recording, I'm like, dude, it's so fucking quiet, and I had to like feel the hood to make sure it was running.
You were trying to do what? You were trying to balance a coin on my engine?
Oh,
Money.
And then it
The
falls
only thing
over.
that's blowing it over is the fan.
She runs good. She blows oil, but she runs good.
All right, so yes, this is now the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, all that stuff. We're trying to hit 60,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully my stuff comes in soon and we can continue making videos. Other than that, I'm gonna be scrounging for content as usual because I'm waiting on everything all the time and it sucks, but it's whatever. So I'll see you guys in the next one.